Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to have settings to secure your Facebook account. If you want to secure your Facebook account, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your Facebook app and here just tap on the menu option in the top right corner of the screen. Just tap here and now scroll down and here you have the option of settings and privacy. Just tap on it and then tap on settings. Here just scroll down and here the option of privacy checkup. Just tap on it. And now here you have to select how to keep your account secure. Just tap on it and here just tap on continue. And now you just have to enable this setting, which is Facebook will send you a Facebook notification. Just tap on it and then tap on skip. And after that here you can change your Facebook password. After changing your password, tap on skip and here you have another option, which is add an extra layer of security to your account. In this, you just need to add your email account or phone number. After that, just skip it, and now you are all set. You have successfully secured your Facebook account. So that's how you can make secure your Facebook account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.